And welcome back. It's been ages. Happy New Year, everyone. It's been about 6 months since I put up a video. I haven't really done much anyway, but nothing to write home about, but back this year. See, I'm in a boatyard. Got myself a boat. Just an old Orkney longliner, 19 foot. Got my mates Pete and Mickey working on it. The small issue with the engine, went to go and change the impeller, which is down in here, and got these bolts off to drop the leg. Got the leg off to change the impeller, but I'll try and get in there. This bar that joins onto another bar, the thread was, or the nut was cross-threaded. So we had some issues with that. That eventually snapped, so I've ordered a new part. It's coming. These bolts shed off with the slightest of pressure, but they're just attached to the main steering arm, so we're hoping we can just drill them out, retap them, and just chuck some new bolts in. Engine runs sweet. It was getting a bit hot over here on the water jacket, but that's probably because of the impeller was shot. But yeah, that's replaced now. Gonna start and hopefully finish grinding down the deck to bare wood today.
You bollocks.
Pete, resident woodworkman over there, replacing a bit of rotten wood that we've cut out.
Can you
Just gonna grab him a bit of a thing that he needs. He's ugly, but he's good. So yeah, I'll be checking up a few videos of the progress on the boat, how it's going, what we're doing, and then some videos of us out in the water, hopefully not dying. So we'll see what happens. Well, I've been relegated to tea duties because whilst Pete's grinding and fitting that wood and clamping it all in, we can't be grinding because there's so much dust. We started last weekend, but yeah, I had to stop after about 20 minutes because the amount of dust that the flapper disc and grinder was chucking out, I just couldn't breathe. So got some protection now. As soon as they're done, see him over there. As soon as he's done, we've had our tea, warmed up a little bit, we'll crack on with the grinding. Should be fun. Taking 5 minutes out here. Eyes are dry from all the dust, but I need to go get one of those eye goggles, eye protection, definitely. Getting there. Yeah. Pretty much just got this section here to do, and here, and that little bit there, and that's pretty much the arc done. It doesn't look all that clear, but that's mainly just because there's so much dust, it just covers everything. So we'll give it got the back half almost done, do the front half, we'll try and get the rest of that done today, and then it's going to be a case of we got to like wash it out, get all that dust out, go over any bits that need to be redone, and then we'll probably do the side bits too. Because they're starting to crack and flake, but that'll probably be next weekend's job. Once we got it back to bare wood and sanded the fiberglass down smooth where they fiberglass the joins to watertight seal the deck, all we're going to do then is just resin the deck to just give it that extra bit of protection. Wood's all fine, there's no rot on the deck or anything like that, so I'm happy about that. Resin it, let that cure. Probably give another coat of resin just to give it a little bit extra bit of strength. Sorry, got a phone call in the middle of that. Where was I? yeah, so resin the deck, strengthen it a little bit more, let that cure, second coat of resin, and then some deck paint on it. And then, yeah, like I said, we'll sand down the gunnels because the paint's starting to crack and peel in places, so that's just only going to get worse. Get that done. That part should arrive for the entrance during the week, the shift linkage bar or rod. Try and fit that next weekend. That's going to be an epic job. Got a feeling I'm going to have to get someone in to do that for me. But we'll give it a go, and if I see I'm either going to break something or make it worse, I'll just suck it up and pay someone to come and get it. But yeah, coming along. Get in there. Mickey working hard. Little trooper, that bloke. Alright, well, catch up in a bit. Bye. Clear up all the dust so we can see exactly where we are, and yeah, like I thought, we've pretty much got the rear, the aft of the deck done. That's all down to wood. That's all just dust that's covering it, and then the back section. So just got this to do, that bit to do, and then we're gonna hit the front bit. Start here, work down, because there's a bit of a wind at the moment. Oops, sorry. There's a bit of a wind, so the dust is kind of flowing that way towards the end of the boat. So if we're standing here grinding that way, it's just going to hit up and go straight back into our faces. But yeah, getting there. This lifesaver came down the first weekend, and we're gonna scrape it all down. We gave up after 10 minutes. Was fuck that. Speak of the devil, Pete over here actually suggested a flat disc and a grinder, and we've done all of that in an hour and a half. Probably take us another hour to do that section down there, and then we're good to go. Catch up in a bit. Alright, new blade, last little bit, let's get it done. Alright, well, now that I've got the ground that back a little bit more, just to investigate a little bit more, swept the deck out, cleaned up, so we can have a good proper look at it. And if you look, you can see the, let me get this on the right spot, see that there, you can see up here they've fiberglass properly, a good sort of 4 inches out, and then it just looks like they've run out and not carried it on over. So this is now separating, and then we've got a big delamination over here. That's, I can get my finger in there. It looks like it's just the top layer of the ply. You can see that's all flaking, so water's obviously got in that and caused some damage in there. You can see wet wood.
Is it wet?
Yeah. So you can see how easy that's just peeling off now. Well, that's no good. Yeah, that's, feel that, that's fucking wet. It's not rotten, it's just wet, so hopefully we can save that. Grind all that off and sort that out.
It ain't rotted through, is it?
No, it's not rotten, it's still solid. I think it's just wet and started to delaminate. On this side, similar thing, but as you can see, they've fiberglassed out properly all the way up. So this will just be a case of grind back the fiberglass, and then probably chuck some sealant down the side and then just fiberglass over it. But all in all, not too bad. So yeah, a bit more work than anticipated, but it's not a train smash. We can finish it up. Well, that's us done for the day. got some errands to run and things to do, so catch up next weekend. Just watching. Thanks. Bye.